While rising travel costs keeping your dream vacation just out of reach, don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll share the smartest, most creative hacks to travel the world on a budget in 2025. From affordable stays to eating like a local, we'll show you how to save big and travel smarter. Let's get started. Hi, welcome back to SmartCoinChronicles. If you're new here, this is your go-to channel for smarter money moves. And today, we're talking about one of the most exciting topics traveling on a budget in 2025. Travel is evolving with new trends, tools, and challenges, but with a few strategic tips, you can see the world without overspending. So, grab a pen, and let's dive into the ultimate guide to affordable adventures. The changing travel landscape 2025 is a unique year for travel. Sustainable travel, eco-friendly options are becoming more popular, and they can often save you money. Think homestays, slower travel, and off-the-beaten-path destinations. New trends, slow travel, where you spend more time in one place, isn't just relaxing, it's easier on your wallet. Technology, with smart apps and platforms, planning your trip and snagging deals has never been easier. Knowing these trends can help you plan a budget-friendly trip while staying ahead of the curve. Budget-friendly accommodation. Accommodation can be one of the biggest expenses, but it doesn't have to be. Here's how to cut costs. 1. Alternative lodging. Explore hostels, homestays, and even house-swapping platforms. These options are not only cheaper, but also let you connect with locals. 2. Apps and websites. Use apps like Airbnb, Couchsurfing, or Agoda to find the best deals. Pro tip: filter for discounts or last-minute deals for extra savings. 3. Off-season travel. Consider visiting destinations during their low tourist season. You'll enjoy cheaper rates and fewer crowds. Eating on a budget. Food is another area where smart planning can save you a fortune. 1. Street food adventures. Local street food is often cheap, delicious, and gives you a real taste of the culture. 2. Grocery stores. Buying ingredients and cooking your meals, if possible, can drastically cut dining expenses. 3. Local markets. These are great spots to find unique ingredients and ready-to-eat meals at a fraction of restaurant prices. Transportation hacks. Getting around doesn't have to cost a fortune. 1. Public transportation. Subways, buses, and trains are far cheaper than taxis or rental cars. 2. Alternative options. Consider bike rentals or ride-sharing apps for short distances. 3. Travel passes. Many cities offer day or week passes for unlimited travel on public transport, perfect for sightseeing. Maximizing your experience. Traveling on a budget doesn't mean you miss out on amazing experiences. 1. Free activities. Look for free walking tour, museums with free entry days, and public festivals. 2. Local knowledge. Ask locals about hidden gems and affordable attractions. They often know the best-kept secrets. 3. Budget-friendly itinerary. Plan your day around activities and meals that don't strain your wallet, but maximize the experience. Traveling on a budget in 2025 is all about being resourceful and creative. With these hacks, you can save money and create incredible memories. If you found these tips helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to SmartCoinChronicles, and don't forget to turn on notifications for more budget-friendly insights. Now it's your turn. Share your best budget travel tips in the comments below. I'd love to hear your ideas.